Actually, I think it's really exciting, all of the different ways we are beginning to see for investors to be able to access themes. Initially, there was a lot of focus on funds. And so you would have a fund manager that would identify a theme and put together a portfolio to express that. Increasingly, people want to get even more specific, as well as perhaps finding ideas that are less well known. And we're seeing increasingly the use of theme bots, which is using artificial intelligence and language processing to identify where you might see pockets of opportunity and companies that are less well known as being involved in a certain theme. And that's very exciting. We're seeing that come together in both indices as well as ETFs and in managed ETFs. So I'm excited about the many opportunities investors will see in the coming years that are new to express thematic investing.
We believe that thematic investing is going to become much more mainstream than it is even today. Going back to the world when people thought about thematic investing as being more speculative or looking for some short-term trading ideas, we think that's something of the past, and that many of our clients are really understanding and repositioning their portfolios to be focused on these long-term secular growth themes, ones that do demonstrate that they are well positioned to continue to deliver growth looking forward over the medium and long term.
Thematic investing still represents a very small portion of total invested assets in the world today. If you look at just the US ETF landscape as a proxy for the broader world, a little more than 2% of total assets in ETFs are in thematic funds. So that shows that the relative adoption of thematic investing is still pretty small in the grand scheme of things. We, of course, believe this is going to grow very rapidly over the next few years as more and more portfolio managers and financial advisors and even sophisticated institutions are looking at thematic investing as a different way to approach investing in the future, really trying to harness some of these trends that we see as inevitable in today's world and trying to capture that growth opportunity in their portfolios. So we think there's a very long runway for thematic investing beyond what we've seen in the last few years.